Good day, my future employers. My name is Jonathan Torrio from the Philippines. I am 41 years old. I am married with 3 children, aged 23, 22, and 19. My previous job here in the Philippines is a family driver of 5 family members. After my driving, I can do also household like cleaning the house and gardening, cooking, laundry, and also marketing. I love also cooking like Philippine food, adobo and sinigang, and Chinese food, steamed fish, dumplings, wonton noodles, and also pork soup, and western, pasta, salad, and bread. I hope and I pray, my dear future employers, we will work together soon. Thank you and God bless.